So on my way to the bank this morning, the one bank that I go to from where I live, I have to go over some rough railroad tracks, and I am very picky with my car. So I always go over very slow, and don't want to do any damage to front end parts, knock it out of alignment, whatever. And so there was a vehicle behind me, didn't know who was in it, and I get over the tracks. Then the car passes me, and I heard it tooting. So I looked over, and there happened to be what I would call a young lady, young girl, probably 12, 13, something like that. And she was flipping me off. I thought, oh, well, that's kind of interesting. Looked like her mom uh, was driving, the person you see here. So we get down towards the end of the road, and where it dead ends, I've got to turn right. She went into the left lane. So when I went by, I look and I see the little girl's got her middle finger up. So I tooted my horn. All right, I wait for a vehicle to go by. I make my right turn. I notice she gets over then into the lane I was in and gets behind me. So let's just see now what happens after that. So guys, this is what happens when you get off your medications. Just take a look at that big mouth wide open. Now here, when the car went past me the first time, the window was up, and when I looked over after I heard the car tooting when it was coming around, the girl didn't have her finger up against the window. She was kind of back into the car, and you'll note that the window was up, and then when we got up to the road, the end of the road, then the window was down. In here, guys, I've taken a screenshot of my video, and you can see where the girl has got her middle finger up. And there's the time frame in the video. I just was looking for that, and that's at the point when the car went past me, and just before she stopped in front of me, before her mother stopped in front of me. So there you go. Second time that little girl's used her middle finger. So obviously her mother's teaching her well. She's going to grow up to be a nice hoe, isn't she?